Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel Flutter Coding 101. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how you can use an image picker inside your Flutter application. So in this image picker, there are two sources from wherein you can pick images. One is your gallery, and you can also pick click a picture from the camera of your application. So as you can see over here in this application, that it is asking me to upload an image. Once I click on it, it will show me a list of all the images that I have in my gallery, and I can pick any image inside this, and so the image is shown over here. So now to do this, first thing is we need to add the image picker package inside a pubspec.yml file. There are two ways of adding this. You can copy this and you can add this in your pubspec.yml and run flutter pub get, or the second way is you can just add in your add the command flutter pub add image picker, and that will add the image picker inside your pubspec.yml file. So as you can see over here in my pubspec.yml file, I have used this image picker. This is the version that I'm using. Now I have also declared a file with the name image, and I have used this pick image method function to use my image picker, right? So the first thing is I have declared this image picker, and I have used pick image. So you can use different methods, like if you want to pick multiple images or if you want to pick a video, then as you can see over here, there are different methods based on your requirements, right? So you can pick an image, you can pick multi-image, or you can pick video. So as per your need, you can do that. Whenever you're picking multiple images, you have to store them as a list of images if your application requires that. And also one more thing is when you are selecting the source of your application. Now I have over here selected gallery since I'm using an emulator, but if you want, then you are using a real device, you can also select your source as camera. All right, so and over here I'm checking if my image is not equal to null, right? Then I'll be storing this inside this file image. Okay, so I have specified file, and inside this file I have specified image.path. So now this image format is now converted into a file type. And over here I have called this method pick image inside my gesture detector. As you can see, once I called it, now it will check if this image is not null, and if this image is not null, it will be showing the image that I stored. So for that, I have used image.file, wherein I'll be passing this image file, and I'll be specifying the width and the height of this image that would be shown. So here you can see the image is shown, and I have selected that particular image, and this is how you use an image picker in your application. I hope you liked this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Thank you so much.